Good morning students, class 8, welcome back. Yesterday I had forwarded you two videos related to the surface area and volume of a cube and cuboid. And now we will start our exercise 15.1. In question number 1, just see, it is saying name the faces, edges and vertices of the following cube and cuboid. In the first figure, one cube is given to us and we have to tell them faces, edge and vertices. One more thing, if I will see a cube, then it is having the face in the form of a square, and if I will see a cuboid, then it is having the face of a rectangle. First thing. Second thing, length, breadth and height of a cube are same, whereas in the case of cuboid, length, breadth and height are not equal to each other. Okay, so I will just do part A and part B you will do by yourself. In part A, first of all, it is asked faces. We all know that either cube or cube we can say, cuboid we can say, they are having 6 faces, means KLMN, comma ORQP, okay, LQPM, and one more ORKN. How many we have done? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 more are left. Okay, one of bottom and one of top. It is RKLQ and ONMP. So these are the 6 faces. Okay. In fact, 4 walls and one of top and one of bottom. Okay, so 6 faces are there. Now it is asking edges. The line joining any two vertices is called edge. So all total how many edge will be there? 4 of top, 4 of bottom, 8. And these two more. I think it will be 12. Okay, just see it. Let's check. OP, then ON, NM, MP. These 4 we are done on top. In the same way, RQ, then RK, then RQ, KLQL. This we are done. Again, OR, then NK, ON we are taken, RK we are taken. Okay. Again here, what is left? ML and one more PQ. Just see on the board now. Okay, so we have done edges. Now we need to write vertices also. Vertices again. OPMN means they are okay, different we will take. No, OPMN. RQLK. These 4 we had taken, these 4 we had taken. I think all we had taken. Okay, so just note it in your fair copies. Okay, so now see on the board question number 2. In question number 2, we have to find out the surface area of the following cubes. Length means side is given to us. Side is how much in the first case? It is 6 centimeter. And we all know surface area of a cube is 6 into side square, because 6 sides are there, no? 6 into 6 square. 6 square means 36. 6 is a 36, 18, 19, 21. So we will get our answer 216 centimeter square, because area always comes in square. In the same way, you have to do question number 3. So just see question number 3 on the board. In question number 3, what we have to do? We have to find out the surface area of the following cuboid. In this case, we needed L, which is given to us. It is 9 centimeter. Breadth, it is also given to us. It is 5 centimeter. And height, it is also given to us. It is 3 centimeter. We all know the formula of total surface area of a cuboid. It is 2 LB plus BH plus HL. Okay. So in place of LB, BH and HL, we have to substitute the values. Means L is 9 into 5 plus B means 5 into 3 plus H means 3 into 9. So first of all we will do the multiplication, then we will add them, and after that the final answer will get multiplied with 2. Just see it here. 9 5s are 45 plus 5 3s are 15, 9 3s are 27. So first of all we have to add 45, 15 and 27. Answer will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 87. So 2 into 87, now we have to just multiply 2 into 87, 7 to the 14, 16 and 1, 17, 174 centimeter square. In this way you have to solve the question number 2 and 3. So complete question 1, question 2, question 3, all parts in your fair copies. In next video we will do our further questions. Okay, thank you very much.